You're most welcome. Today we are going to demonstrate how to give the IV fluid. This is Ringer's Lactate, 250 ml, how we are going to give to the patient. So when you have a patient on this fluid, you make sure you have your fluid, and then you have the giving set, and of course our patient is here. So you're going to open here, and then we get our fluid, then we get our giving set. Okay, then we connect it in the fluid. And you make sure you go slowly, otherwise you will break the bottle and the fluid will be leaking. Then afterward, before you start releasing, you make sure you first close. You put your bottle up, and then you make sure you fill this chamber with some fluid, and before giving to the patient, you make sure you release the hair from inside. Then after releasing, you remove the needle, and then you come to the patient and you connect your fluid. And we have to keep this one because it will still help us after, when the fluid is done, we shall use for closing. So after connect to the pen here, and the fluid goes.